Hello and welcome everyone. Today I want to talk about Stereo Sauvage Elements, which is a new plugin released by Plugin Boutique. And you can get it for free if you partake in a survey. The link is in the description of this video. As you can see, I have Stereo Sauvage Elements open and also Ozone Imager too, because a lot of you might wonder why would you need Stereo Sauvage Elements if you already have Ozone Imager. And you can see there is indeed something that combines these two plugins, which is that they both showcase the current signal in some sort of visualization. Oh, what is that? We can actually turn up the width 100% to only the side signal, and that's already one of the things that makes this different than just Ozone Imager, because in Ozone Imager you can only make the side signal twice as loud as it was before. So if you wanted a more subtle control over the parameter, you would probably go for Ozone Imager, while if you want to try something really crazy, you would just use Stereo Sauvage Elements. But that's not actually the reason why I decided to make this an extra video. This would still not be the craziest thing ever. You could also just use Stereo Helper and click on the side only button if you wanted to have such an effect, which can sometimes actually be very useful. The fascinating thing is, in my opinion, the rotation knob. On the information page of this plugin, it says this keeps the side channel as it is, but it pans only the mid channel left and right. And that would sound very natural, allegedly. So let's actually do this on this beat, because I have two tracks here and I want one of them to maybe be a little bit left and the other one a little bit right, but in a way that it still feels centered in some way. And this might be actually the parameter that we can do that with. So let's try that. Nice. And now I will do the same thing with Dream of Stars. Nice. Now this seems a bit unbalanced still, but that's just because I don't have another synthesizer yet that I can put on the other side in this part. So that's something that I will have to do next time I will work on this project. But for now, I think I will just keep it the way it is.